you're funny. I know you're funny. But on the spot, right? Yeah, like.
Yeah, all of my jokes are a little, they're like more stories. Once upon a time, there was this village of people called Trids. They were very short people, tiny, tiny little people, Trids. All day long, they would run up this hill and this monster would kick them down and they'd roll all the way down and then they would do it all over again. They did it all day long. So one day this rabbi comes to town and he's watching this happen. Why do they keep running up this hill? And you know what? I'm just gonna find out. So he runs up the hill, watching the Trids all day long, and I can't figure out why they would run up this hill just to have you kick them down. I'm wondering if you could kick me down the hill. And he's like, silly rabbi, kicks her for Trids. Nobody gets it though, because that cereal is not a thing anymore. Hi everybody, my name is Amber, and I am so excited to be here with you today. A little bit about me. I started doing yoga when I was 12 years old, and it has helped me in more ways than I can count. So my passion really lies in making it more accessible to people who are curious or interested, who could really benefit from it. Some of the things that this has led me to is teaching yoga inside prisons, examining how the ways we experience trauma and anxiety affect our body and how we can use yoga to heal that, and really investigating the way my breath moves in my body and helping other people do that too. So thank you so much for being here.